Hello friends, how's everybody doing? Today is another day. As you all know, I hope you are doing very well. I am kind of tired. Tired. Every day I'm tired, I think. But I managed to go do my nails. That's why it's looking bright like that. And because I have a lot of things coming up this weekend and I needed my nails to be done. So I did do my nails today. I have a lot of DMs talking about why I'm saving a lot of challenges and some of the challenges that I'm doing. And I have been telling everybody that my challenges have a purpose. Every challenge that I'm doing has a special purpose that is going to tackle by the end of this year or even before the year end. So today I'm going to do 3 of my simple challenges that I've been doing. If you've been following me, I'm sure you've seen it. But today I have a guest here. My daughter is here to help me. Hi-oh. She's so excited to be in the video today. As we are wrapping up the month with everyday video that I've been posting, today is another day that we have to talk about those questions that I've been getting. So I do have my 3 easy challenges that I do. My monthly one. I have my 52 weeks one.
And then the 100
and the 100 one. Yes, my daughter know the 100 and you guys know the 100 as well. So we're going to count the money, then we will cast staff them slowly. Then I will talk about it, why I'm cast staffing, what each of them does. And we also have our buddy here, a turtle. Today he has a wrap at the neck, as you can see. And I love seeing this turtle. We have 2 turtles in the house. Lucky and who? Flash. So we have 2 turtles. We love turtles because they are kind of slow in emotion. That's why I always have this on my table, most of my videos, because we are gradually, slowly saving, slowly taking care of our money. Even though budget is tight, we are slowly doing stuff. Yes, so let's go ahead and count the money. So what do you want to do? You want to count the money?
Yeah.
Are you sure you can count the money?
Yeah, I can.
Okay, here. You have to come closer, because everybody has to see the money.
Okay.
So you want to count the 20 first.
So I always take that,
Okay.
and then I put it on the side. So 20, 40, 60.
Okay, then we will put it here. So we have 60.
And then we have 10, 10. Then we have 30.
30. So we put that. So 60 plus 30 is how much?
60 plus 30 is 90.
90. Good job.
So we have 5,
fives.
10, 15.
15. So we have 90 plus 15 is how much?
We have so many ones.
Yeah, well, let's do this one first. 90 plus 15 is how much?
90 plus 15 is 105.
5. Good job. So now count the 1.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24,
25. Okay, hold on. So we have 105 plus 25 is how much?
So 25 will be 30.
So 130.
30.
So
This is the left two.
so 2. So 131. So we have 131. Going to go through all these challenges that we are doing. So let's go ahead and give me the first one. Okay. So this one is my monthly challenge. This one, the purpose of this challenge will be I will save at the end about $500 plus. Is for my Thanksgiving. I'm going to use this money here, get into Thanksgiving to use that. So what I'll do is that I'll try and save
$500.
$500. That's right. So the December one, I will do it as fast, maybe chip it in, because this booklet purposely is for Thanksgiving. So that's the purpose of my savings challenge for this. So I don't just do savings challenge. I used to do savings challenge anyhow, but no longer do that anymore. Every of these challenge that you see me doing has a purpose. So now that we understand that for February, so for April, I want to go back. For April, we have 13 and 6. So that will be 13 plus 6 is what? Now I have my math buddy here. So she's going to help me do all the math. So 13 plus 6 is how much?
13 plus 6. 19.
19. So we mark it off. So you're going to take 19 from the money. And we're going to put it in the envelope.
Okay, let's find 5. And then I'll take a lot of ones because I don't know. 5. Actually, I'm going to take 10. So I just take 9 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Okay, so that's 19. No, that's another. That's what we have to put here. So that's $19. Let's see. So 5, 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, good job. So we will put it here.
So I put it.
And I'm still having my sales for this wallet, this savings wallet, the monthly wallet on my website, Etsy shop. And they are 30% off. So in case you want to check it out, please go ahead and do so. I do have it available. I have a lot of people asking me where they can get that. I have the link in the description below. Okay, Mama, let's go ahead and do the next one. So we put this on the side. And this one is the 52 money pot saving challenge. I do have also this in my shop. And this one, after I'm done, I'm going to put towards my student loan. So it has a purpose for it. I don't just do a savings challenge. All my savings challenge has a purpose. So for this one, anytime I'm saving, I do 3 at a time. So we're going to do
Plus.
34, 35, and 36.
So we do have 30, but it's gonna take all the money. So
Yes, so we
we're
have
gonna do 20 and then
20,
10.
10, then we'll do 4 of the ones, right?
Yeah.
Then
That's
that'll be 34. Okay, so let's go ahead.
And do the next one. I'm gonna do the next one.
Yeah, you're gonna do the next one. So this one is kind of okay. So I slide in. The next one is 35.
Okay, 20, and then another 10, and then we need 1, then we need 2, and then I'll just get 3 more ones. There.
Okay, so that's 35. Okay.
It's a lot of money in all of them.
Then the last one is 36, so I'll do 5, this and that. Then I'll do 1 from here, so we have 36
In total.
in total. Yes. And at the end of this challenge, you get 1,378. I have the tracker here,
We're gonna cover
and it comes with a tracker, and I can't wait to get it done. I still have like a few. It's very doable, as you can see. So I do have, let me see how many slides I have to go.
Oh, we have a little bit more.
Yeah, a little bit more. 1,
then-
2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I have 6 more. I can't wait to get that one done. Like I said, when I'm done, the purpose is to go towards my student loan. That's why I always do savings challenges, because it helps me set aside the money towards something. I know I can easily take it from my account, but how many of us do save when we get paid? It's kind of hard, but this challenges kind of motivate, it kind of guide us to do so. Oh, Mama, I forgot to mark it. You want to mark it? We did 34, 35, and 36. Okay. So we are done with that. The last one is one of the easy challenges that I'm doing. It's the 100 Blue Savings Challenge, but I'm doing the one that you have the tracker. You have to record it yourself. And today I don't have a lot of money left. So I'm just going to do, let's go to the page.
Wait, you don't?
No, I only have $8. So each slot is going to get $2. You decide any amount you want to put in each slot. So I'm doing $2
For each one.
for each one.
Let me
Yes.
do the rest.
Okay. So each slot. If I have money, I will do more than that. But today I'm giving each slot a $2.
I usually do more than that. You
Yes.
just do less.
Yes, I usually do more than that. But today, each of them get $2. And we are halfway done. We did number 50 today, so we are halfway done. And I can't wait to finish this one as well. This one is also gonna be towards our vacation that normally we take it inside the state, not outside the country, inside. So I'll do it one by one. So this is the money towards that. So after I'm done, any money that I get, we can take a mini vacation before the year end.
Like a winter vacation.
Yes, take vacation. Okay. So that's all for today. Let's go ahead and record our $2 that we put in. Okay, so these are simple and easy. So here we go. These are the challenges that we did today. And we are super excited to have you here. Thank you so much. We will see you in our next video. What do you want to tell them?
Bye.
Bye. Don't forget to
Subscribe.
subscribe. Thank you. Bye, bye, bye.